Welcome to Flexient Cloud Orchestrator, the mature, reliable, and feature-rich software platform for cloud infrastructure management. In this video, we will show you the power of the product catalog. The product catalog allows you to define what infrastructure as a service offerings you'd like to sell. Using the product catalog, you can define the availability and pricing for every consumable resource in the platform, such as server running time, disk space, or network I/O. This is one of the key tools that can help you differentiate yourself in this competitive market. Let's get started and demonstrate how easy Flexient can make this. First, log into the Administrator Control Panel and click on Products. If you want to sell a server, disk, network, or any other resource, you'll need to define billing parameters such as pricing and frequency. This combination of what you'd like to sell and how you want to bill for it is what we refer to as a product offer. Let's go ahead and create one. Let's say you want to sell a server whose CPU and RAM can be arbitrarily configured by end users at the point of the server creation. Let's call this product offer Cloud Server. The billing period defines how often Flexient Cloud Orchestrator applies charges for this server. Let's pick hourly because we want this to reflect a true pay-as-you-go model. Next, you want the CPU configuration to be defined at resource creation. Your customers or end users will either pick from a list of values in a drop-down format or from within a range that will be later represented by a slider bar. Let's pick the range option. Now, you'll need to decide how much you want to charge for each of these, and therefore need to set the number of repeat units. Units are the internal virtual currency that Flexient Cloud Orchestrator uses to greatly simplify how you bill end users. Repeat units are what will be charged at the end of every billing period. Let's set 2 units per CPU. You might also want to make the RAM configurable at resource creation and set 5 units per gigabyte of RAM deployed. Let's save our product offer and make sure it is available for consumption. To see what this will look like to our customers, let's log in as one. You can now see the list of server configurations which end users can pick from when creating a new server. And that's it. The product offer just created is listed here among them. Because we chose to make it dynamically configurable, you now have the freedom to choose whatever combination of CPU and RAM that's needed. To finish off, let's accept all the default values. Create our server and start it. Now, let's let it run and come back in a few hours after some billable data has been generated. Our server has now been running for a while, so let's move to the My Account section where Flexient Cloud Orchestrator provides all the granular visibility and transparency for end users to see what they are being billed. This report shows us a consumption trend over whatever period of time is specified. This is invaluable for cost control and forecasting future consumption. If you click on Today, you can see a detailed breakdown of all the unit charges incurred so far. Each line corresponds to a specific transaction, and since we earlier selected hourly billing, these unit charges are applied accordingly. You can also see the unit charges that were specified earlier for CPU and RAM, reflected in this breakdown. What happens if you run out of units? Flexient Cloud Orchestrator will proactively notify you whenever you are running low. Of course, end users can also top these up at any time by selecting from the packages that you make available to them. This is just one example of the many billing configurations that Flexient Cloud Orchestrator can support, giving you the flexibility to meter and bill based on your business model. Thank you for watching. Now, take a look at our other videos and discover how Flexient Cloud Orchestrator can help you create a cloud service business your customers will love.